Oppo A3 Pro just launched before a few days ago, world's best durable phone, world's first phone with IP69 rating, fall resistance certifications, 360-degree rugged design, super lightweight and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and review of Oppo A3 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's now get to the unboxing. The Oppo A3 Pro comes in a white colored box and includes special features. Inside the box, you'll find a 67-watt power adapter with a Type A output, along with other regular accessories. When you unwrap the phone, you'll notice it's lightweight and thin, available in a mountain blue color with a hyperboloid back made of leather material. The phone's frame is non-metallic, and the camera module is rounded, housing 2 lenses. The phone looks really nice, with a slightly curved screen and slim bezels. The screen quality is decent, but what sets this phone apart is its IP69 dust and water resistance rating, making it the first phone in the world to have this. It also has IP66 and IP68 ratings, meaning it's fully waterproof. Even top flagship phones don't usually have such high ratings. Plus, it comes with a 1-year waterproof warranty, making it unique in the world. This phone's standout feature is its exceptional durability. It's completely dust and water resistant, meaning dust won't get inside, and it's waterproof too. We're familiar with IP68 ratings, where a phone can stay in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. But IP69 takes it a step further, making it even more powerful in resisting water and dust. The Oppo A3 Pro isn't just dust and waterproof, it can also withstand high temperatures without any issues. It comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection and utilizes a diamond structure for fall resistance. The corners of the phone's frame have a diamond structure, along with anti-collision beams, providing 360-degree protection. Additionally, it's certified with the Swiss SGS Gold Standard 5-star certification, ensuring it's fully resistant to falls. Let's see a demonstration now. First, we'll submerge the phone in a tub of water. It's been about 10 minutes, and the phone seems fine, still working perfectly, even the touch screen. Now, let's try smashing this walnut with the phone. Breaking a walnut isn't easy, it's very hard. Oh, looks like one walnut cracked. Let's try another one. As you can see, all the walnuts easily break when we use this phone. Let's try breaking this last one too. There are some scratches on the screen, but it's perfectly intact. So, the Oppo A3 Pro is for those who prioritize durability in a phone. Talking about performance, it's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor built on a 6nm platform, which is a mid-range processor. It comes with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, with the highest variant offering 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Let's talk about the camera. It has a dual setup at the rear, with a 64-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. As for the battery, you get a hefty 5000 mAh one, and it comes with a 67-watt charger that can charge the battery up to 56% in just 20 minutes. Now, discussing the price, the base variant starts at 1999 Chinese yuan in China, which is approximately around £220 in UK and $276 US. In conclusion, the phone will perform well for regular use but might struggle with high-end games. The camera is average, but its standout feature lies in its world-class durability. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.